Okay, this is a video on the Stump Grinder, the Vermeer, I have a hard time saying that. 60, let's see, SC292 Stump Grinder. Little walk behind, has a Kohler motor on it, and has the nice blades here. I'll give you a little shot of that. The controls are all right here. Has 1,517 hours on it. Runs really good, runs smooth. Haven't done anything to it, just came in like this and haven't cleaned it up or anything, not needed. Just gonna show it to you just like it is. Go ahead and fire it up, show you how it works. This control right here operates it forward and reverse. This one here does the turn, or the up and down, one or the other. And then this one, I believe, does the turn. The switch here turns on the blade, but you got to be doing it at the same time as this lever right here. So you hit those simultaneous, and then it turns on the front blade. I'll try to do it, but usually somebody else helps videoing, but they aren't over here. So let's just see what we can do here. All right. So that is reverse, and that is forward, and that is down, and that is up. That's the swing when you're grinding. And then this, if I can do it, I'll try. The motor runs out nice. So check it out if you need a stump grinder. Turn that down to idle. Listen to that. So this is pretty compact, nice little unit. Okay, that's it. That's the video on the stump grinder. Thank you.